Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good. So in today's video, I want to chat to you guys about Genius Brands. So ticker symbol is GNUS. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an update. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So we're currently on the chart of Genius Brands. So ticker symbol is GNUS. As you can see, the share price has been pretty bullish the past couple of weeks. So it's initially tested a resistance at $2.24 and it's broke that resistance. So as the share price broke the resistance at $2.24, it created another resistance at $2.44. So effectively making this area a supply region. However, on the 23rd of March, the resistance of $2.44 was broken on very good volume. So the volume was 134 million shares being traded, which is huge. So the fact that the resistance at $2.44 has been broken, so this resistance is effectively seen as a support now. So we'll wait to see if the price falls and tests this support at $2.44. If it falls and tests it and the support holds as a support, then I can see the price rising and testing the $3 resistance. So yesterday's session, the 24th of March, the resistance at $3 was tested. It was tested with a lot of volume, which indicates that the bulls are trying to break this resistance. So if I have a look at the RSI, there's positive divergence, all right? And also from the share price, there's positive divergence. So basically the share price made a new high and so did the RSI. So this is a very bullish signal, meaning that the bulls are trying to break above this $3 resistance. So if the bulls manage to break this $3 resistance and this holds as a support or then support, then I can see the share price getting towards $6. So guys, with investing, you need to be patient, okay? So patience is definitely a virtue when it comes to investing. So just because I say that, okay, if the share price breaks above the $3 resistance, that is going to get to $6, assuming the price does break above the $3 resistance, doesn't mean that the share price is going to get to $6 in a day or two. This could take a day, two, it could take a week, it could take a month, okay? It could take a couple of months. So you need to be patient. So if you're going to invest in a company or buy shares in a company, then you need to decide what you're going to do with that. If you're going to hold it for the short term, the mid term, or the long term. So are you looking as a short-term trader, momentum trader, or are you looking at it as a long-term investor? So you definitely need to decide. So I want to point you guys to FinViz, and in particular, I want to point you guys to this section, the average volume and the volume. So basically the average volume is 35 million shares being traded, and the volume traded on yesterday's session, the 24th of March, its session was 118.2 million shares being traded. Although the session closed bearish, the open of the session gapped high, which indicates that the bulls definitely tried to break the resistance at $3. So there's a lot of conviction, there's a lot of bullish conviction with this move. There's a lot of bullish activity. So a lot more investors are getting behind Genius Brands stock. A lot of investors are buying up Genius Brand stock. So if we have a look at Yahoo Finance, so I want to point you guys to the financials. So basically the quarterly earnings for Genius Brands. So as we look from quarter 4 of 2019 to effectively quarter 3 of 2020. So from quarter 4 of 2019 to quarter 2 of 2020, the earnings were progressively getting worse. But comparing quarter 3 with quarter 2, the earnings were a lot better. So quarter 2, Genius Brands were at a loss or operating at a loss of $383 million. Quarter 3, they reduced this loss substantially from $383 million down to $2 million. So guys, that's a huge improvement from Genius Brands on the fundamental side of things. So the earnings have been getting a lot better from quarter on quarter, so from quarter 2 to quarter 3. So this could be down to them getting rid of a lot of liability, maybe paying off loans, etc., effectively cutting down expenses, so operating expenses within the company. So this has resulted in them having a better quarter earnings. And the fact that they've improved a lot in 3 months, this says a lot about the company and a lot about the company going forward. So they have a vision for taking this company forward. So if they keep going at this rate, I believe the next quarter they're going to be profitable. So I'll be interested to see what quarter 4 says. So this will be great for the company and it's great for us investors. But right now, going by quarter 3's earnings, this is definitely a bullish sign, okay, that the company is doing well. So if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And guys, comment below, let me know your thoughts on Genius Brands. Are you in Genius Brands or are you thinking about getting in on Genius Brands? If you'd like to support the channel, you can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the bio below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.